So welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to how can we reset guys mobile network setting in our Infinix phone. As you want to reset your mobile network setting, so friends you can reset. And guys, now let's see how to reset mobile network in our Infinix phone. In this video friends I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon guys. So guys, now let's start the video friend. How can we reset mobile network? Open your phone setting guys. After on guys phone setting guys, you can see this love setting, then guys scroll it. Sorry friends, I paused the video guys. Now continue. So we will scroll guys our phone setting. Friends, you can see your system setting. Friends, tap here. Guys, click on guys your reset option. Click here guys. You can see mobile network setting. You want to reset guys. You can reset from here guys. Reset setting. Please wait. Network setting has been reset. Means your mobile network head setting is resetted. And guys, you can use guys your mobile network without any problem guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to reset mobile network setting. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.